We are going to look at relief rainfall. Today we are looking at relief or orographic rainfall. Hey, don't make noise. This type of rainfall is associated with the Eastern Highlands, where we have a mountain, or the Eastern Highlands. This diagram is showing our mountain. What happens is that air blows against the mountain barrier. Hey, don't make noise. When air blows against the mountain barrier, warm air is forced to rise. As it rises, it expands. After having expanded, it cools. After having cooled, it condenses, forming clouds, as you can see on the top one. These clouds result in very heavy rainfall on the windward side. Then, this is the region where heavy rains fall, but this leeward side doesn't experience a lot of precipitation. If ever precipitation is to fall, it's in the form of drizzle, but this leeward or rain shadow area is associated with the fog or mist, very high temperatures, or anticyclonic conditions. This region in Zimbabwe is associated with areas the likes of Nyanyazi, Beshnaf, and much of Save Valley. This region doesn't receive a lot of rain, and something must be done to improve life here. So, my question to you today is, what is it that can be done to improve conditions in the leeward side? What is it that can be done to make life better for those people who are living in the leeward side or the rain shadow, to make conditions better? I want answers from you, Form 1. What is it that can be done on the leeward side, which is associated with very high temperatures, very low rainfall? How can life here be made better? What is it that can be done? Hey, you raise your hand if you have a contribution. Yes? Hello? Very good. Cloud seeding can be done. When we talk of cloud seeding, aeroplanes can be flown into a rain-bearing cloud. Then iodine pellets are released. Then, after those iodine pellets are released, then affinity to water makes water droplets cling, hence rains fall. What else? What is it that can also be done apart from cloud seeding? If you don't want to say anything, yes, Tawanayash, what is it that can be done? All right, afforestation and reforestation can be done. What else? Somebody at the end over there. Yes? Very good. Damming. Irrigation. Anything else that can be done to improve life better? On this leeward side, game ranging. Game ranging, don't make noise. Game ranging can be done. If we look at the Eastern Highlands, we have the Devule Range. The Devule Range is in the leeward side of the Eastern Highlands. Yes? Hello? Yes, very good. Use of greenhouses. Anything else that can be done? We can also talk of Fumbudza. Fumbudza is a climate smart agricultural practice where holes are dug. These holes are capable of storing water after a rainfall event. Then manure is put inside that hole, or if rains fall, water collects in the holes. Then it makes plants resilient, even in regions that receive very low rainfall. So Fumbudza is another point, yes. Very good. Mulching. It's a point to consider. Mulching is necessary because when plants are mulched, evaporation is reduced, hence moisture is stripped, our plants grow well. Any other contribution from you? Nobody has anything to say? All right, so this is what can also be employed to make life on the leeward side better. Harvest may improve or can improve if ever this is done. You cut. All right.